Larry, the label says,
Be alert to safety signals. Whether you're on land, on the water, in the air, or at home. That's right. There's an all-important safety signal in your home. It's the label on the pesticide containers. This label tells you how to use and store the pesticide, so you'll be safe from the poisonous chemicals it contains. Pesticides are quite safe when used properly, but if they're misused, they can be dangerous. So in case of accidental poisoning, call your doctor immediately. Keep the label handy. It contains vital information for the doctor. It's important to avoid accidents, and it's easy. Just be alert to the safety signal. It's a prescription for your safety.